Hi everyone, want to go fast on threads? Here are the 5 growth hacks that top creators are using. Let's get started. Number 1 is post during a peak hours. Best times to post? It's 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Why? Because that's when people are scrolling. Then hook hard in the first line. Your sentence is everything. Use a first line like this example here. And now engage before you post. Spend 10 minutes commenting on other posts before publishing yours. It boosts your visibility and warms up the algorithm. Then also mix a post styles. Alternate between quick tips, story-based posts, hot takes, and carousel threads. These keep your content fresh and bingeable. And leverage early comments. Reply to comments within 5 minutes of posting, and it shows an activity that pushes you for more timelines. And threads is still new. This is your window to explode. Use these hacks daily and watch your followers skyrocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and growth strategies. Thanks for watching.